அங்க இருக்கணும்டா. நாலாம் தேதி முடியாது. சரி சரி சரி. அப்போ வேற ஏதாவது டிரைவருக்கான தேனாடு டிரைவர் கேட்கலாமான்னா, சரி அப்போ கேட்டு பாருங்க. நான் கேட்டு உனக்கு கூப்பிடுறேன்னு சொன்னேன். நான்
இவங்க இன்னும் கிளம்பும் வேற எங்கேயோ போகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
சரி சரி. இல்லைன்னா நீ ஏதாவது டிரைவர் எனக்கு ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. இந்த ரெண்டுக்காக நீ அங்க இருந்து வரணுமா? என்ன டாக்குமெண்ட்?
Namaste, welcome to the Value Stock seminar. Sorry for the delay. There were some technical issues first day. Welcome everyone. This is Shailesh Sharaf, Managing Director of Dynamic Equities Private Limited and founder of Value Stocks app. So I welcome everyone. Just a brief about me. I'm in the stock market since 1992. This is my 29th year. So today we are going to share with you the experience and wisdom rather than only the knowledge, theoretical knowledge. We'll be sharing you a lot of wisdom around it. So before I start, can I get some people to please introduce yourself quickly? If I can have your videos please on, and then if I can see. Yes, and can I?
Sunil Hemdev here.
Yes, Sunilji, welcome. Thank you for trusting us and joining us. Yes, Sunilji.
I'm here to learn something from you. We've been investing. We've been investing more on the long-term basis. Sometimes in mutual funds, sometimes in equity directly.
Okay.
But we are thinking more of trading a little bit, more on cash deliveries, not on futures and options.
Okay. And how did you come to know about us?
Through a friend.
Through a friend, okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, welcome, Sunilji, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, anybody else wants to introduce, please? A small half a minute. Yes, Mitesh bhai, please go ahead. Please unmute.
I am Prabhakar Rao from Bangalore.
Prabhakarji, okay. Yes, Prabhakarji, please go ahead.
I have attended once 1 year introduction seminar at Hosur Road last year.
Okay.
Next time you have conducted 3 days workshop near Baptist Hebron.
Right.
I have missed that the seminar.
Okay.
So now I am attending that class.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. Rupa. Welcome. Yes, Mitesh bhai, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm in the stock market since 1992, and every day has been a learning experience for me. I would be very glad to learn even new things from you. I would be, taking this as a professional learning from you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome, Mitesh bhai. Welcome. Yes, please. Anybody else?
Hi, this is Narasimha Kumar.
Yes, Narasimhaji. Yes, please.
Yeah, I've been since from 15 years in this industry.
Okay.
So I've been watching your videos, everything since from 1 year. I'm also a member of your app.
Okay.
So I got a chance now to learn more interaction sessions with you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Yes, anybody else? A quick introduction and then we'll start.
I'm Joseph.
Good evening, sir. This is Srivatsan here.
Yes, Sivatsan.
Yes, sir. I'm doing my master's in Bombay Stock Exchange. I'm a student right now.
Oh, you're
I'm
doing
pursuing my
masters in Bombay Stock Exchange.
Yes.
What are you doing in Bombay Stock Exchange and masters?
Yeah. So I'm doing my master's degree, like a master's in global financial markets.
Okay.
And of course, I've kickstarted my trading career, last year October.
Okay.
And yeah, so that's all about it. Initially, I was also into trading, and then I realized, the things can actually be done through investing, and I'm quite interested into investing right now.
Okay. So if you see globally, you will find many great millionaire and billionaire investors, but you will not find many great millionaire or billionaire traders. Have you heard of any millionaire or billionaire traders?
Yeah, the ratio is actually low.
You will find a lot of millionaire and billionaire investors.
Exactly.
Right? So that is a very important thing, that we should focus on investing than trading. Okay? We'll share the details. Yes, please.
My name is Abraham, and I'm from Chennai.
Yes, welcome, Abraham.
I have 25 years of work experience. Now I realize that though I have earned, but I have never multiplied what I earned.
Achha, you have earned. Okay, so you are a trader, kya, Mr.
No. I have never gone into stock. I have never multiplied. जितना भी आता था वो FD में था, RD में था.
Okay.
I have never multiplied.
Okay.
So this is a new phase. What I've chosen to be an investor.
Very good. Welcome.
Then I realized that I'll go through the training first.
Welcome. Yes, please. Anybody else quickly before we start the day?
And
Nobody
Joseph
wants to
Charlie.
introduce?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Joseph.
I'm Joseph Charlie from Coimbatore.
Yes, please.
I am 25 stocks in my hand in Demat account.
Okay.
But all are not working fine. So I want to know about in depth.
Okay. Welcome. Anybody else? Many people don't want to open the videos.
Hello. Myself is KB Moon.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Go ahead. Yes, please. Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Moon. Yes.
Yeah, myself is KB Moon. I am from Nagpur.
Okay.
I just entered the market last 4 months. I would like to learn what has been done in the market. That's why I joined.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining. So we'll take more introductions later. So let's start the session. Very exciting session. Thank you for being with us for 5 days. And we hope to give you a lot of wisdom, experience, practical knowledge, that if you join these sessions, what is the benefit? So let's start with the blessings of God. Let's bless us with understanding the deeper truths about the stock market. Yes, Vikas, please go ahead. So basically, I humbly request you, we have done a lot of work. So these PPTs will be shared with you Videos will be shared with you. So please respect our views. Please don't give it to all your friends and family. Just use it for yourself. I know. So please respect our work, what we have done for many, many years. This is a humble request to everyone. Okay, so let's go next.
So please unmute yourself.
So before we go into the details, any investments which you do. Next please slide with us. You closed it. Okay, so any investments which you do has to be based on some fundamental parameters, some truth. Now, why we are using the word truth? If you see, there is a word called truth upstairs. Vikash, if you can mark that word. So we are using the word truth because if you use a truth, it will give you predictive results. Again, I repeat, my friends, if you use the truth, it will give you predictive results. So there are certain truths for investments, and those truths are all, whatever you're going to learn in the next 5 days is on this one page. Okay, so this is what we have gathered. So if we can learn these basic things, what we are showing you on this page, then you can become a great investor, because we will prove you by the end of 5 days that whatever you are seeing on this page is used by all the fund managers in the last 50 years for investments, right? So we are going to share a lot of practical knowledge and what are the major parameters which gives us a prediction that these stock prices will go up in future. Okay. Another thing very important, when you find a truth and when you invest with clarity and with greater knowledge and wisdom, what happens is that when the market falls, you will see that your stocks fall the least. Now, what is the stock market first, my friend? You have to understand what is the stock market. In stock market, you know, we don't have control sometimes whether the market will go up or down. For example, on 20th February, the Nifty index was 12,400. On 23rd March, Nifty index was 7,500. Did something change in the market? What happened? Did something change? What happened was there was a external crisis, and the external crisis, you know, made the stock market go down. Now, from 23rd March, when everybody thought that we are going to have a very worse period, what happened was market has again become high from 7,500. Yesterday it was 11,800. It literally came to that same high of 12,400, which was on 20th of February. So if you see, we saw a big slide and we saw a big upward. Now this is not under our control, my friends. The markets going down and the markets going up is not under our control. But what you're going to learn in the next 5 days is, if you buy a certain quality stock, again I'm repeating the word quality stock. If you buy a quality stock and you hold it, what is going to happen is, if the market will go down, your stocks will fall little. It will fall. Please understand, there is nobody in the world who can, if the market falls, your stock will not fall. But there is a strategy. When the market goes down, our stocks should fall less, right? There is another strategy when the market goes up. So if the market goes up by 20-30%, my stock should go up by 60-70%. Vikash, it is again gone, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Please don't change it. Huh? So basically what we are trying to teach is that this 5 universal truth, if you understand, you will be identify quality stocks, quality businesses. Now, what is the meaning of a quality stock and a quality business? A quality business brings a quality stock. Somebody is writing on the screen because can you help not to write?
Yeah, I've cleared it.
Yes. Okay. So if we learn this thing, that if we are investing in a quality business, okay, then you are investing in a quality stock. Now, what is the benefit of a quality stock? A quality stock falls less in a falling market and rises more in a bull market. That is the strategy you need to learn. Then what is going to happen is, when the market falls, you will not be so scared. Why? Because you know the market has a tendency to go up regularly. So I will show you a slide, because if we can keep the slide ready, where the last 20 years, the market has always gone up. Okay. So we will show you a slide, you know, a monthly slide of the last 20 years, because if you can show the monthly charts of the last 20 years, the market always goes up. That means God, if you understand, slightly philosophical I'm using, we are always, there is something called an upward spiral. ठीक है, बाजार ऊपर जा रही है, थोड़ा घटेगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, फिर घटेगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, फिर घटेगा, फिर ऊपर. So market is like this. Can you see that we are going up and up in life? So I've seen in the last 20, 30 years, the market always goes up. Always. People, if you have invested in a quality stock, if you invest in a quality stock, market never goes down. We have not shown the chart as yet, Mitesh, I will show you. Okay. So what is the learning is, when the market goes down, which stocks fall the least? What is the parameter which makes that stock should fall the least? And which stocks will rise? So in a falling market, please remember, in a falling market, people who speculate, people who do, you know, insider trading, people, jo, you know, a lot of stocks, they take it up where there is no businesses. Those stocks, if you are invested, then you will have a tough time, right? And those stocks always lose 80% value, 70% value. And those prices never come back in the stock market. But if you invest in a stock where you know you identified quality businesses, quality stocks, even if the market goes down, you know that we've invested in a quality stock, my stock will again rise when the market will rise, because market always rises. Now, market never falls more than 6 to 8 months or more than 30, 40, 50% in the last 30, 40 years. So if the market does not fall more than that and market keeps on rising, then the challenge for an investor is that how do we identify quality companies, quality stocks? This is what we are going to teach you. Okay. So this is the most important thing which has been found by great fund managers, and then they invest in these stocks.
Ready with the chart.
Okay, so I'll show you the chart.
This is Nifty. I have
With the INE with us. Can't see.
This is Nifty.
Yes.
And I also have S&P, Hang Seng, Nikkei and DAX.
It's fine, it's fine. So if you see, markets are always going up. It is always an upward trend, okay? So just mark, बाजार ऊपर गया, थोड़ा नीचे गिरता रहता है. देखिए, there is a period from 2002 से देखिए, there was a period. इसके पहले अगर आप चार्ट लगाएंगे तो आपको same direction मिलेगा. Market was going up, फिर थोड़ा नीचे गया, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर नीचे जाता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है, फिर एक बड़ा fall आता है कभी-कभी. And when the big fall comes, this happens due to, why this a big fall comes? This happened due to some major economic blunders done by people. Then again market goes up, goes down. Thoda right pe chart kar de Vikash. Okay, and finally again the market went down in a sharp way, if you see, and again the market is again back at the top. So again the market will go up, friends. So you will see that Nifty was 20 years back, Nifty was only 1,000, 600, 800, right? And now in 20 years, Nifty is 12,000. So in the next 20 years, Nifty will be 30,000, 40,000. Why? Because according to God, we will keep become prosperous, whatever is the situation. So market will keep going up. That is why you see, if you have a long-term perspective, if you have a long-term perspective, you will always make money. But the challenge is what the investors face is, they always hear, if you keep your money for 10 years, we will make money. If you keep your money for 12 years, 15 years, you'll make money. But the issue is, you will only make money if you're invested in a quality stock. If you're not invested in a quality stock, then even if your money, you keep it for 15 years, you will not make money. Okay? And sometimes those quality stocks, because of certain reasons, becomes a bad stock. Like for a company like Yes Bank. Yes Bank, if you see, there was a history of Yes Bank. Vikash, can you open the chart of Yes Bank? It was continuously going up. Then because of certain problem, it started going down. Can you make it bigger, Vikash? Okay, so it was continuously going up. So this is where you think, oh, I have invested in Yes Bank, now I will never exit. Now this is the problem. Whenever the fundamentals of any company becomes bad, you will have to exit that company. Okay, now come to the front page, Vikash. 5 universal truths.
Yes.
Okay, so what we are going to do in the next 5 days, friends, we are going to give you a system where first learning is how to identify quality businesses and quality stocks. And we'll discuss a lot. This is a quality business. This is a quality stock. Once you can identify quality businesses and quality stock, you have about 50, 100 companies only, quality businesses. Then what you're supposed to do, you just have to wait for the market to go down. Like today, when the market was going down, we wanted to buy a lot of good stocks because a lot of good stocks went down today. It does not mean that's a bad stock. They are good quality companies. And whenever the market goes down, we buy those stocks. So people think, what do you do? What do you do? Yes, as an investor, first identify quality stocks. And then whenever market goes down, keep buying those stocks. That is the way you will make large money. Okay? In investing, there is no stop losses, my friend. In investing, there is no stop losses. There is a difference between investing and trading. People don't understand this language. So before I come, we have 35 people. I want to understand who are traders who do trading maybe once a day or maybe trades for 3-4 days. They buy a stock, and if the prices don't go up in the next 10-15 days, then they become an investor. Who is a trader come investor? You guys, can you put full screen? I want to see, I want to discuss with some people, and then we'll go in details. I am Sharbari or Sabari? Sabari. Okay, Sabri. What do you mean by this? Can you explain me, please? Sabri?
Yes, everybody can unmute themselves and speak. Yeah. Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, what is the...
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. So I primarily invest for the long term.
Okay.
And when I have some surpluses, I do trade in the market.
Okay.
I look at the charts Today I try to start Reliance. I got out fast. I make 100 rupees here, 200 rupees there, 1000 rupees there.
Okay.
I'm a retired person, so I have the time. Primary interest is only fundamental investment for the long term. That's why I have joined your course also.
Okay.
But to keep my skin in the game, and also because I like technical analysis a lot,
Okay.
I do trading also.
You
But
do
is
trading.
with
But do you
about
understand what is trading and what is investing?
absolutely.
You
Investing is
understand that?
investing is for the long term. You buy a quality stock, as you said, and keep it for the long term.
Okay. Does investing have a stop loss?
Investing will have an exit more than a stop loss.
Okay, we'll have an exit but not a stop loss.
Not a stop loss.
Okay, good. Okay. And will trading have a stop loss?
Trading definitely you'll have a stop loss. Even if you're trading with HDFC Bank or Airlines share.
Okay.
100% is stop loss needed.
Okay. Anybody else who does trading? Anybody else who does trading?
Listen here, I do.
Yes, Mr. Raghav, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm doing trading. Like I'm a student, and the main reason why I entered markets is that to make passive income.
Okay.
So, like for investing, what I can do is that since I'm too young, I can put some money in a quality stock, and I can, do whatever be the things after a period of time. And for passive income, for daily day-to-day purposes, I do trading.
So are you earning every day in trading?
No, that is not the case. I'll have to declare a lot of, no trading days in between. That is the issue. But there is no such thing when it comes to.
So again, I'm repeating, friends, you will hear multi-billionaire investors, but you will not hear multi-billionaire traders. So
Absolutely.
I don't know who else is trading. So I hope if you're here for trading, then I will not be able to teach you anything.
I'm also do trading, sir.
So what trading do you do, Mr. Nandiji?
Sir, options and as well as equities.
Okay.
But I lost in more in trading, sir. I gained in my investing, not in trading, sir. Trading, it is very difficult job.
Yeah, so trading, it is difficult. It has different principles of trading, and there are certain principles of investing. Okay. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. I also do a trading, not in a intraday trading, but in swing or like positional जो कहते हैं उसमें.
Okay.
तो वहाँ क्या होता था सर, अगर if I bought a stock around 100 rupees, एक 10% प्रॉफिट लेके प्रॉफिट बुक होता था, और लेटर आई फाइंड वो स्टॉक 300 गया, 250 गया. एंड द वाइस वर्सा, आउट ऑफ 10 टाइम्स 5 to 6 टाइम्स स्टॉप लॉस ही यूज होता था. ये होता था उसमें क्या.
So basically what we are going to teach you, we're not going to teach you anything on trading. So if somebody is here to learn trading, I'm sorry, I'm going to not teach you anything on trading. But if you want to learn quality stock investments, you want to learn something very different and you want to sleep peacefully, then what we will teach you, right? So we want to be clear that we are going to teach you fundamental analysis. So basically there are certain principles of doing investing, right? So we will show you that once we go along. Okay, let's go to the 5 universal truths, Vikash. So let's start the journey now of identifying a quality stock. So let's start the journey of identifying quality stocks. Okay, so if you want to identify a quality stock, the most important parameter, what you see on the page, is ROE. Vikash, if you can mark ROE for everyone. You have to learn about this thing. So today we are going to learn about L. Today is a day of L. Okay, so today 3 hours we are going to discuss ROE, ROC. We are going to discuss free cash flow, and we are going to discuss debt to equity ratio. Now this gives you a great efficient management and great companies and quality companies. If you don't know this parameter, then you will never be able to identify great business. And for your information, what this ROE, ROC, free cash flow, debt to equity ratio, these stocks fall the least when the market goes down. So one of the most important things as an investor, again I'm repeating friends, as an investor, this is the first financial metric you have to look at when you do investments. Okay, so today for 3 hours we are going to give very good, very deep details so that you can identify quality companies, companies which will do well in future. This is what companies do well in future, and we will show you why. Okay, so before we start, let's start with the video of Warren Buffett, and let's understand. And please, I would like you to write down what he writes, because we'll have a question answer session on the video. We'll discuss the video. It's a 2-3 minute video, but because you have to write down, please write down what is the importance of the video. Okay, so please keep your pen and ready, and please write down what is Warren Buffett trying to teach us about ROE, return on equity. And then we'll tell you what is return on equity, how do you calculate return on equity. We'll go in details of that. But first, start believing that a quality company, where does it start from? Okay, let's see the video first.
In most areas of Japanese business, returns on equity are very low, and it's extremely difficult to get rich by being the owner of a business that earns a low return on equity. We always look at what a business does in terms of what it earns on capital. We want to be in good businesses. What we really want to be is in businesses that are going to be good businesses and better businesses 10 years from now. And we want to buy them at a reasonable price. But many years ago, we gave up what I've labeled the cigar butt approach to investing, which is where you try and find a really kind of pathetic company, but it sells so cheap that you think there's one good free puff left in it. And we used to pick up a lot of soggy cigar butts. I mean, I had a portfolio full of them, and there were free puffs in them. I mean, I made money out of that. But A, it doesn't work with big money anyway, and B, we don't find many cigar butts around that we would be attracted to. But those are the companies that have low returns on equity. And if you have a business that's earning 5 or 6% on equity, and you hold it for a long time, you are not going to do well in investing, even if you buy it cheap to start with. Time is the enemy of the poor business, and it's the friend of the great business. I mean, if you have a business that's earning 20 or 25% on equity, and it does that for a long time, time is your friend. But time is your enemy if you have your money in a low return business. And you may be lucky enough to pick the exact moment when it gets taken over by someone else, but we like to think when we buy a stock we're going to own it for a very long time, and therefore we have to stay away from businesses that have low returns on equity. Charlie?
Yeah, it's not that much fun.
Okay, friends, let's see who understood this. What is Warren Buffett trying to teach us? See, again, when I say, Vikas, front page please, 5 value truths.
Yeah.
PPT?
Yeah, showing. Yes.
So basically, when we say truth, why ROE is a very important truth for investing. I don't know if you heard the video. We can play the video again. But anybody, what did you learn from the video? So I'm repeating, Warren Buffett said, now this is Warren Buffett telling you, not me telling you. So I'm proving it to you that return on equity is very, very important. He says, if the return on equity of companies is low, it is extremely difficult to become rich on investing in low return on equities. We always have to invest in good businesses. So we avoid companies, and he says companies with low return on equity, You know, they are pathetic companies and stay away from them. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Shivastan. Right, correct. Thank you very much. That is what he says. Right, to stay away from business with low ROE. In low ROE, you're not going to do well in investing. He clearly says, because we are investors, if you invest in low return on equities, because your screens are changing a lot, please. If you invest in low returns on equity, it is, you know, you will not do well in investing. Right? And he also says time is your enemy. Now, if you invest, you know, and you keep your money, he says your time, the amount of time on low rate, it will never give you. Okay. So Akash, when select giving minimum 15% with past performance check. He also mentioned about being time. Yes, that's correct. So it is very important that you should try to invest in companies with high return on equity, right? So anything with 5-6% and anything below 10% should be avoided, Mitesh. That is the first rule for investing. Now, what is return on equity will come in detail. So this is a very, very important principle to learn. ROE is a very, very important principle to learn. Extremely, extremely ROE. Okay, so and why ROE gives you a quality business? Now, who can answer that question? Why ROE gives you a quality business? Anybody can answer? Let's see. What is the link of a quality business with ROE? Yes, okay. Shivastan, please go ahead. Please unmute yourself. Allow Vikash to unmute them, please.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Shivas, please go on.
Yeah, only if the business is good, we can earn profits. So when the company is listed in the stock markets, of course, we do make decisions based on the profits that the company has made and the progress the company has made.
Okay.
So only if the business is strong fundamentally, you know, we can earn profits, and the return on equity will also be more. So everything is interrelated,
Okay.
in my opinion.
But what is return on equity? Why is it important?
The return that we make on the
Return
investment.
you make on what?
Investment that we have made.
On the total assets of the company, total productivity of the capital.
Yes.
Now, if you see, the total capital includes all the assets, machineries, land, correct? Okay. So with the total capital, now some people, they have a land. They feel, oh, I'm an owner of a land. But is it giving you any returns? Some people buy shares, but is it giving you any return? Some people buy, so basically the ability to make returns on your total capital, total assets of the company. Now what happens is, now I'm sure we have about 35 people here and many people are doing business. You know, I don't want to question anybody, but do you know the return on equity of your business? Do you know, when I say return on equity is calculated, आपका जितना capital है, factory, land, assets, all the capital which you have put, उसकी आप कितना रुपया कमाते हो उस business से? Shaurya says no. Have you ever calculated ROE of your company? Nobody is answering yes, no. The people are quite serious here actually. Have not calculated. Okay, thank you, Siddharth. No, no. What I seriously request you, you start calculating the ROE of your business. And if your ROE is 8-9%, then you can just put that money in an FD or a debt account, and without any risk, without any hard work, you can make 8 to 10%. Without any risk and without any hard work, you can make 7 to 8%. So when you're doing business or doing investments, you have to find companies, जो company अपने पूरे assets, entire asset means entire land, capital, machines का वो 20% कमा रहा है. Okay, bank gives only 5.5, but if you do in a debt market, you might get 8-9%, Joseph, right? In a debt market, sometimes you might get 8-9%. So without any risk, you can make between 5.5 to 8%. When you do share investments, okay, you have to learn to invest in only those companies which has a high productivity of capital, right? Of all resources, that's correct. High ROE means efficient management of all capital, all assets, land, machines which you have under you, all the cost you have put basically, and from that money you are able to do 20% or 15% or more. That is the meaning, Siddharth, of this. That is why very few managements can actually do this. Very few managements can actually do this. That is why this is a very, very important principle for investments. ROE and ROC. Okay. Yes. ROE depicts quality of management. ROE depicts, Mitesh, is basically that management has the capacity to use all its assets in a more better manner. All assets are producing goods which the customers are buying easily. So ROE means you are in a very, very high quality business. Okay. Now the question is, how many years of ROE do you see? You see minimum 3 years of ROE, minimum. Okay. If you see 5 years, the quality becomes better. You see 7 years, super quality. If you see 10 years, you're already investing in a high, very, very high large cap companies. ROE means that you are able to maintain a very, very high quality company. Okay, how many years of ROE you need to see minimum? Minimum 3 years. That is a very important aspect. What is the percentage of ROE you have to see? 15%. We will go in details today in ROE. Okay. The second most important principle is free cash flow. Now, before we show you this, so we are going to cover this today in details. Okay, L. We will show you more videos. We will discuss free cash flow. We will give you all the details of these 3 things in a detailed manner. Okay. Now, from tomorrow, what we are going to do tomorrow is we are going to do U using growth principles. Okay. Now, in growth principle, one of the most important parameters for a quality company is their sales. Sales mean that they have created a super product, and those product customers are ready to buy. A company is always making a product and a service, yes or no? And a customer is buying that product and service. So when the sales of the company is growing, okay, that means that product is loved by the customer. So you have to find companies, and if you see any great company, I can show you data of, Vikash, can you show the data of Amazon yesterday when you sent?
Yeah.
Last 20 years of Amazon sales or any company in India also. All the great companies which has become multi-baggers in India. Harshul, if you can, top 10 companies, they just show the sales to them in the last 20 years. So if you will observe that sales is a very important process. This is how you identify a great company at a very early stage. What is sales? That means उन्होंने कुछ product बनाया है that is loved by the customers. Now, if a person loves a product and the sales are going up, you know, companies do very, very well. Companies do very, very well. Today it came that Elon Musk has become the 3rd richest person. You know, his company is in loss, by the way, Tesla, but it is one of the greatest companies. Why? Because people are just buying his cars again and again. So if you see the sales growth, can you see the sales growth? This is what, which company this is? I can't see the company name. Tesla. You know, see Amazon, see the sales growth, revenue growth. You know, every year देखिए नीचे से दिखाओ ना 2005 90 190 470 645 902 1152. Okay. तो अगर आप देखेंगे the company, if you see the revenue, yeah, this is the revenue, sorry.
Yeah.
If you see the revenue is going up every day, profit हो सकता है ऊपर नीचे जाए, but the sales are continuously increasing. Can you see? So if you can identify companies जिसका 3 साल सेल बढ़ गया, again start with 3 years minimum. अगर कोई कंपनी का 3 साल सेल्स डेली बढ़ रहा है, ROE बढ़ रहा है, आप समझ लीजिए you can identify Amazon at a very low rate. You can identify a great company at a very low rate. So 3 years, a new company where the sales are going up, you check, it is fantastic. See Tesla. In 2008, their sales was only $112 million, 15 million. 2010, 117. Okay, today the sales are $24 million, $24,000 million.
December 2018.
Okay, yes, that's correct. You have to see the sales for at least 3 years. Some startups, they will stop failing in after 3 years. Okay, and we are not talking of companies or startup basically. We are talking of companies where we started using Amazon. I think so. Everybody started using Amazon in 2006-07. Okay, if you see the prices of Amazon, it was nothing. Now we will show you same companies. Harshul, you can show me some companies of India for the last 20 years, only sales growth. Why sales are important? Because if you want to identify a great company, आप 3 साल का sale देख लीजिए, and it is fantastic. I'll show you Bajaj Finance. Because Bajaj Finance का sale दिखा दो, 10 से 15 तक. And then what it went to Bajaj Finance. See what happened to the sales.
Yeah, showing.
So any company which goes to a 20-25% sales for 3 years, they are still nascent. उसका दाम बढ़ा नहीं है. And अगर आप उस company के बारे में जानते हैं, today everybody is buying Tesla. Everybody. But can you invest at when it goes 3-4 years? You see the product. You see the sales of that company. Are you using that company yourself? If you're using it and you know it's a great product and the company sales is going up for 3 years, you can start thinking something is right with the company. Okay, so sales are a very, very important part of identifying a quality business. If there is no sales, there is nothing.
Quarterly sales.
Can you show me the Can you show me the amount? Not quarterly. I want to see yearly and the amount, please.
Yeah.
Yearly and the amount.
Yearly amount. This is where 2005 it started.
So if you see the sales, 145 crore, 210, 300, 497, 594, 901, 13. अभी भी continue है, इसलिए दाम बढ़े जा रहा है. Can you see? The sales have never decreased. They have been able to do 20 to 40% sales growth year on year. That shows the company, more and more people are getting used to the product. More and more people are getting used to the product every year. Okay, so minimum 3 years to 5 years अगर आप देख लेंगे, 3 years minimum देखिएगा, because if you want to identify a company, minimum 3 years. Okay, so this is where you want to identify quality company. You have to see the sales continuously growing up. उनका sales कभी घटना नहीं चाहिए. अगर sales घट गया, profit थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but sales should never fall. Profit sometimes happen because they did some investments. Sales should never fall. Please remember of those companies. And you have to check whether you know that product or not yourself. Are you using the product yourself or not? A great company, please remember, a great company का product आप भी use करना चालू कर देंगे. We all started using Apple, in 2007-08. We already started using the company. The product started to come. We started using certain companies, right? You started using becoming a bank account holder of HDFC Bank way ahead. We shifted from SBI to HDFC Bank, way ahead, right? So you have to continue to see the sales of companies, very, very important. Every year, the sales should keep increasing. That is a key element of a great company. Okay, so we will cover that tomorrow in detail, more in detail. But you have to understand that how do I identify quality business? Sir, it is not difficult to identify a quality business. It just requires simple logic, common sense to identify a quality business. Okay, and once the sales is going up, you will see that that company is also coming to profits. So the day sales ke baad wo profit mein aa jati hai, then that prices will start going up like this. So till the time they are not in profits, you still don't invest, it's fine. But you keep a note. You keep a note. And the day it comes into profits, the day you invest in that company, still it will go up. Right? So this is another thing which you need to start thinking about great companies. But minimum 3 years, huh, friend? Minimum 3 years. Without 3 years, don't invest. Minimum, huh? That's minimum. You take it 5 years, even better. Okay, so you go off quality. Quality companies will stay for 10, 15, 20 years. Quality companies will not die out immediately. Okay, so please remember this very, very important principle, sales, which we will cover tomorrow. PPT, Vikash. So you see any great company which has become a multi-bagger, their sales keep going up. Okay, and obviously the net profit we will discuss. So sales growth is the key to identify a great company. बहुत कंपनी क्या है ना, सेल्स ग्रोथ नहीं होता है, बट अपने प्रॉफिट में लैंड बेच देते हैं, समटाइम डेप्रिसिएशन एडजस्ट कर देते हैं, so their profit increases. But the top line is the key. If there is a sales growth, that means you are invested in a great company. Okay, so this we will cover in detail tomorrow. After we have covered these 5 major important principles, today we are going to cover ROE, free cash flow, and debt to equity ratio. Tomorrow we will cover sales growth and EPS growth. If you know these 5 things of a company for 3 years, you have identified a super quality stock which you can hold for long term, and that company will give you tremendous results for the next 7 to 10 years. This is the entire principle of making money. It is so simple. It is so simple, friends. If you understand this, you will make a lot of money. Again, I'm repeating for everyone. I would like everybody to write down, if you have a pen and paper. ROE, 3 years. See free cash flow. Okay, even 2 out of 3 years is good. See debt equity ratio, company loan nahi leti hai. The company is able to grow its sales regularly. And you know about the company. When it's growing sales, you say, yes, I know about the company because I'm using this company also. Okay, so that knowledge you should understand, that I'm using this company, and then the company should have profit. Okay, if you can understand these 5 principles, you've identified a quality business. You've identified a great stock which will give you multi-bagger returns. If you don't know these 5 principles, you can never invest in a great company. Okay, so before we go ahead, I would like you to write down in the chat, what are the 5 things for a great company and a quality company and a great business? What are the parameters for knowing a great business? Please write down on the chat. And I would like, please write all 5 together. And I would like all 35 to write it on the chat. Because this is the principle of identifying. No, please write, Narasimhaji, please write all 5 together. What is a quality business? What is a great business? Please write all 5 together, Narasimhaji. If you don't write, we're not going to move. No, Nitin, please write all 5 together. Yeah, free cash flow, ROE, free cash flow, D, revenue growth. Thank you, Nirav. Thank you. That's the right answer. ROE, free cash flow, sales. No, Kamal Mehta ji, not the right answer. Sales growth is the right answer. Kamalji, please change it. Pankaj Bhai, you have to write all 5. Thank you, Nareshji. That's the right answer. ROE, FCF, D, sales growth, profit growth. That's correct, Vikashji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mitesh Bhai. Thank you so much. This is the secret of identifying a quality and a great company. You know these 5 things, you've identified great companies. Thank you, Shaurya. Thank you so much. Rohit, you have missed EPS growth or net profit growth. Rohit, you have missed EPS growth and net profit growth, please.
Okay, I will correct that.
Yes, please correct it. Fantastic, Nandiji. Fantastic, everybody. Fantastic, Mr. Abraham. Minimum 3 years, 2-3 years to be low. Sales growth. Thank you, Siddharth. That's amazing. Thank you. What is personally profit? Gautam, I didn't understand. Using the company's personally profit. Gautam, I didn't understand.
I meant using it personally, actually, mistyped it. You wrote now that you should use the product.
Acha, personally. Okay.
Yeah. Mistype ho gaya.
I never knew this and never checked, Mr. Abraham. That's why you're doing the course, Mr. Abraham, so that you can know and check. Sunil ji, you have not mentioned sales growth and profit growth. Sunil ji, sir, I want to know, you said sales growth always going up means suppose first year 18%, next year 21. Third year, no, it's not. 15 is not good. It should be 24. Every year it should grow. Yeah, 15 is fine. 15% is fine. Yeah, it is growing. Yes, yes, yes. Every year it is growing from the previous Vikash. It's correct.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, in comes to Tesla, because they are making losses every year, sir, but their sales are growing,
Right.
but still from the years together they are making into losses.
Right.
So for 1 or 2 years it is okay, sir. For continuously for from years together it will be how it will be turned into.
I know,
profitable, sir.
agreed, I agree. So I will not recommend it, but you have to understand that why Tesla has now become the 3rd richest company in the world. Have you seen how much the prices are going up?
Sir, it is more value than Ford and GM put together, sir.
Yeah,
Now,
so you know why it is going up?
more people are interested in buying electric cars, sir.
No, not lying. They are selling.
Okay.
Not people are interested. They are actually doing sales growth.
Okay, sir.
Not interested. People are buying the cars.
Okay.
Okay, the sales are increasing. More and more people are buying Tesla and not buying Mercedes and not buying. They are the highest selling car now. The sales are one of the highest. We'll show you, Mr. Mitesh, but there should be growth, Mitesh bhai. Yeah, it is fine. It's fine because yes, it's fine. There should be growth. Okay. So sales growth means that your company, your product is being loved by the customers. When a customer buys your product and loves it, and more people buy your products, that means that company has something which is helping the clients, helping the public, helping the people. Okay. I'm not saying that you have to invest in a loss company. What I'm just trying to identify that how do you identify a great company? Sales should continuously keep going up. If the sales is not going up, then you have to be careful. People should love and more people should buy the company. Yes, okay, now I understand. I want to say growth should be there in sales always up. Yes, that's very important to identify a great company. Okay, so this is what we will go to cover tomorrow in detail. After these 5 things, then on the 3rd day, we are going to cover value. Now, you know the company is super healthy. The company is a super business. First 2 days, let's identify quality businesses. Once you've identified quality business, then you have to learn, I have to buy this stock cheap. I don't have to buy a cheap stock which does not have the 5 parameters. I will buy a stock cheap which has the 5 parameters. Now this is what Warren Buffett was saying in the video, that there were many cigar puffs, you know, throw it away. There were many pathetic companies, he bought it, but then he realized that this doesn't work in the long run, right? So we have to avoid pathetic companies. We have to go to companies which is super good with the 5 parameters. So 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, what is a quality business, how you decide quality companies, what is quality sales, everything we will learn. Once we identify these companies, and there are only 100, 150 good companies like this in India, okay? Then on the 3rd day, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, on Thursday, we will learn when do we invest in these 150 companies? Because we cannot invest in a company where the prices have already gone up, okay? So yesterday, when the market went down, today we were ready to buy companies. Because many companies like Aarti Drugs, it's a great company. On 25th August, Aarti Drugs was 3,700. Yesterday it was 2,700. I was getting 1,000 rupees cheap, 30% the market fell. I'm not going to get scared. I'm going to buy Aarti Drugs. Why? It's a great company and I'm getting it cheap. So the secret is we always will buy low. We will always buy when the shares are falling. This is a completely new system to investment. In fact, when the share falls, we get scared. And investors never get scared when the market falls. So this we are going to learn on Thursday. What is the right price to invest in? ये भाव में तो share खरीद लेना मेरे को कुछ भी हो जाए. It's a great company with the 5 things. I'm going to buy this stock at this price. So if you know the system, tomorrow the market will fall. It's not that tomorrow markets will not fall. Due to any reason, markets may fall. So whenever the market falls, maybe during sometime because of budget, sometime because of a political scenario, sometime because of elections, sometime because of COVID, whenever there is an economic problem, you know, I will buy these quality companies. These quality companies do not get affected by, you know, by these markets. They just fall temporarily. And this is the time people like fund managers or great investors, hey, this is a great company. I'm going to buy this now. That is called an investor mentality. Not getting you, sir. What are you not getting, Mr. Vikash? Vikash, you know, let's open to questions. Did you understand? Let's open some questions for Mr. Vikash. What did you not understand? Can you unmute, Vikash? Can you allow people to unmute?
Yeah, everybody can speak.
Yes, Mr. Vikash, what did you not understand? Mr. Vikash, Srimal?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, actually your voice is not coming up. Actually, it's only voice आ रहा जा रहा है इसीलिए.
Is my voice clear, everybody?
Yes. My end is clear. And
okay, anybody please write how many people can hear my voice very clearly. Thank you, Akash, Joseph. Vikashji, you have a problem with your speaker or your internet. We can't help you. Can you see the chat box? Everybody can listen to my voice very clearly. Mr. Vikash, you have to replace a speaker or you have to get a new good internet. Because I am using my best internet and I'm using a LAN because I do training program. I'm not using Wi-Fi. I have a LAN connected to my computer. So problem is with you, Vikash. Sorry, but you have to correct your computer or your speakers. Okay?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, this what I understood from so far is that first you have to identify.
Your voice broke, Mr. Nirav.
Condition. and then we will wait for the market to fall.
Sorry, again repeat.
Whenever we see a company, first we have to see these 5 parameters, whether they are satisfied or not.
Correct.
If they are satisfied, then only we will go forward. Otherwise, we will leave that company alone.
Right. Correct.
And then we will wait for the right price to buy, which you said that you will teach us on Thursday.
On Thursday, correct.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You understand the stock selection system? So this is the stock selection system. This is how all the fund managers think. They first identify a quality company and then they wait for the prices. Whenever the prices fall, they invest.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, Mitesh bhai.
Sir, for lesser known companies which are also doing very well, for example, I would just like to name a company, Diamonds and Chemicals. Recently they have hiked the production. So
can you tell me the 5 things of those companies? Can you give me the name of the company?
Diamonds and Chemicals.
No, are they listed in NSE?
Yeah.
Okay, open. I'll show it to you. Let's see. Okay, open Vikash.
Yeah.
Let's do one practical training for Mitesh bhai. Practical training. What is the name of the company?
Diamonds and Chemicals.
Diamonds and Chemicals. Just see Diamonds.
DIAMINS. No, it's not there in your list.
Then it is not there in NSE. We only do NSE listing.
I'm sorry.
Any other company, Mitesh bhai?
Can we check? No. I have this company which is doing very well right now. If we can have that company parameters available.
Please tell me the name of the company.
Diamonds and Chemicals.
Diamonds and Chemical is not in NSE.
Diamonds.
Diamonds. Spelling?
Yeah. I'm just typing, sir.
Yeah, just type it on the chat, please. Diamines and Chemical. Alchemines or Balaji Mines?
No, Diamonds only, sir.
Okay, Diamines.
It's only BSE listed, yeah.
BSE listed. Sorry, we do only research on NSE. We don't do BSE stock because BSE has all the pathetic stocks. Can we check Huttan May? Let's do Huttamaki. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, Hutakmi. Yeah, this one. Yeah, yes.
Sorry, just a second.
Okay, go down, see sales देखो पहले ROE देखो, see the ROE. So the ROE is fantastic, but let's check the ROE. Let's see some history. Click Vikash, no Vikash. Okay, so the ROE was following, only 1 year the ROE has gone up. So it doesn't have a history of good ROE. So within 3 years, it is still not there, but still it is going up. Okay, so that is one thing. So that's good. It is going up now. It was a falling company. It has gone up for 1 year. Okay, good. Now let's see. But it doesn't have a history of above 15. So basically try to get companies at least 2-3 years above 15.
So can we check Andhra paper?
One second. Let me check one second. The sales revenue is not so high in the company, only 9%. See the quarterly results. Quarterly results sales are also not very high. Okay, let's click on the yearly sales, Vikash. Click on the yearly sales. Sales are pretty decent. The sales are slightly going up only, company. It's on the growth part, so that's good actually. So they've gone up, the ROE has gone up, the sales are slightly going up. Okay, you will get an app, everybody will get to use the app 1 month free. So please check all the companies yourself. We cannot check all the companies. We will study companies more data tomorrow. I'm giving an idea because everybody will be able to use the app. I hope everybody has got the code.
Sir.
I'll take your question, Shaurya. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so did you understand sales going up, ROE going up. So you can actually check what is the history of ROE, what is the history of sales. Okay, and that's very important to know a quality company. Okay, see the free cash flow. So the free cash flow, click Vikash. Please click. So the free cash flow was down. Again, it is gone up this year only. So basically, it's, you know, why the results of 20 is not there, Vikash? March 20.
So can I ask you one thing?
Is it a December 19 company? Please check.
Checking.
Yes, please. Yes, sure. Yeah, please go ahead now.
हाँ सर, मुझे ये पूछना है कि आपने अभी जो दिखाया हमें, तो आफ्टर दिस ट्रेनिंग हम भी वो सीख सकते हैं ना, हाउ टू चेक द सेल्स ग्रोथ एंड एवरीथिंग?
ऑलरेडी एक ऐप का कोड मिल गया होगा आपको ऑलरेडी।
मेरे पास ऑलरेडी अपना वैल्यू स्टॉक का ऐप है, मगर इसके पहले वो समझ में नहीं आता व्हाट इज जीसीएफ ये, तो उसके बाद होप सो इसके बाद हमें समझ के वो उसी से हम स्टॉक का फंडामेंटल चेक कर सकते हैं।
ऑब्वियसली वही तो आप सीख रहे हैं ना, अभी वही सिखा रहा हूँ।
यस यस यस।
सर आप बता सकते हैं वो कहाँ पे आपने वो कोड भेजा है?
आपको कोड नहीं भेजा तो मेरा आदमी को आप मैसेज कर देंगे कोड में आपको, आप उसमें लॉग इन कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है।
7 o'clock करवा देंगे इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। 7 o'clock, if it doesn't open, just send a message in the group and my person will call you and get it open for you at 7 o'clock. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Sir, I am already a subscriber, so I would be having all the features.
Obviously.
So cash flows, when you are saying about the cash flows, we would be in operating cash flows.
We will train you.
Sir,
let's not go in the details. We will train you. We can't, you mute करना पड़ेगा बेटा।
Done.
Yeah. Yes, Neerav ji.
You mean to say operating cash flows, no? When we say free cash flow.
दिखाएंगे अभी 1 घंटा में मालूम पड़ जाएगा। 7 बजे के पहले मालूम पड़ जाएगा नीरव जी।
Okay, yeah, thank you.
थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए।
Yes.
अभी उसमें क्वेश्चन मत पूछे, मैं डिटेल उसका सिखाऊंगा अभी। मैं आपको भी सिर्फ एक ब्रीफ दे रहा हूँ कि हम लोग 5 दिन में क्या करने वाले हैं, हमको किस तरीके से सोचना है।
Okay.
अगर आपका थिंकिंग मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होगा तो फिर आप चाहे कुछ भी सीख लीजिए, आप कर नहीं पाएंगे। तो पहला स्टेप क्या है? 5 चीज सिखाया कि हमको सबसे पहले क्वालिटी कंपनी ढूंढनी है, मुझे क्वालिटी बिजनेसेस ढूंढना है। क्वालिटी बिजनेस एंड क्वालिटी कंपनी कुछ पैरामीटर होते हैं जो मैंने आपको सिखाया है कि वो उसमें 5 चीज आपको देखनी है। करेक्ट, नॉट करेक्ट?
यस, करेक्ट।
फिर थर्सडे को मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि उसको किस भाव में हमें लेना है।
बराबर है।
At what price should I buy that so that I have a good entry price for that stock? मुझे वो शेयर महंगा नहीं लेना है, मुझे वो शेयर सस्ता लेना है। तो हम कैसे अच्छे कॉस्ट शेयर्स को कैसे सस्ता ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि अच्छा शेयर आपको कभी सस्ता नहीं मिलता है।
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू।
अच्छा शेयर आपको हरदम महंगा मिलेगा, और जितने पैथेटिक शेयर होते हैं, जो घटिया शेयर होते हैं, वो आपको हरदम सस्ता मिलेंगे। हमको तो घटिया शेयर कंपनी लेनी नहीं, हमको तो अच्छी कंपनीज लेनी है, ठीक है? अच्छी कंपनी जब महंगी होती है तो उसको हम कैसे ले सकते हैं वो मैं आपको थर्सडे सिखाऊंगा।
Sir, can we take example of HAL?
We'll take many examples. अभी नहीं लेते हैं। We'll take many examples. ठीक है? Because we in the data will go correct. Let's move ahead now in the details. Okay? Now let's see another video. Now we'll go into ROE. Let's go into details of ROE. Okay? We'll take all questions at 6 o'clock now. No more questions till 6 o'clock. Let's complete ROE. Let's see the video and understand the importance of ROE again. That why ROE is the counting. Please write down the things. Very, very important video. Huh? See the video of Ram.
Your home. So how do you define quality and what are the parameters that you strictly measure quality against?
This is one subject of quality which everybody knows what is quality, what is not quality commonsensically. Yet there is no defined way to say that this is one way to see the quality. But I mean, there are 5-6 ways one looks at it depending on the company which you are looking at right now. But one common filter which comes to my mind to start with is about the return on equity or productivity of the capital, and for how long the productivity of capital is high, and is it a company which has a sustainable business and a business which has a high productivity of